So today we're going to draw our magical sunglasses on Pete. And we are going to start out, so this is Mrs. Bamey's pretend piece of paper. And about not quite halfway, because we want to have room for Pete's neck and his ears, we're going to go a little bit above halfway. So right here is halfway on a piece of paper. If you folded it from the top to the bottom and you made a crease, that would give us halfway. We're going to draw our ovals for our sunglasses above the halfway line. So this is my halfway line. I'm going to start with an oval that's a really good size, okay? Because we don't want to have a really tiny, tiny Pete. We want a big Pete. So we're going to have an oval, and then I'm going to leave a space, and I'm going to draw the other oval, and these are our sunglass lenses. Then we're going to connect those with two lines, just like that. And then we're going to draw another oval that's a little skinny oval around the edge of the first one we did, and that's going to be the rim of the oval for the glasses. That's like the frame holding the lenses. And then I'm just going to put a couple of little, like a C and a backward C right there. So that's where the frames go back. Now we're going to draw Pete's ears, and we're going to come up and make a triangle, but the triangle doesn't touch the glasses right there. Okay, we want to leave that space for the top of Pete's head. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to come up and I'm going to draw a triangle that doesn't go all the way down to the glasses. And then I'm going to connect those two triangles with the top of Pete's head. Okay, so now here at the sides of the sunglasses, we're just going to do two little lines. We're going to do one little line there and one little line there. And then we are going to go down with a line that's at an angle. So this right here is a vertical line. And that's like when you're standing big straight up like a soldier. And then this one is a horizontal line. That's like when you're sleeping and laying down. And then we have these tilted lines, and those are lines that are at an angle. Okay, and that's what we're going to draw next. And we don't want our angle lines to touch because we're going to leave some space for Pete's skinny neck. So we're going to go one that goes to about there, kind of underneath where the glasses go down, and one that goes over here. Same thing. See, if I drew an imaginary line from here, it would stop at that line, and from here, it would stop at that line. And then I'm going to draw two lines straight down for Pete's neck. Okay, and then Pete's got kind of a crooked, upside down triangle nose. So I've got that. And then I'm just gonna put Pete's body coming off right here like this. Okay. Now, I think I'm gonna change something. I decided I didn't like the body right there, so I'm going to erase that. And if you're drawing with a pencil, if you draw super light, if you make a mistake or something that you don't really like, you can change it. I'm actually just going to bring his long skinny neck all the way down to the paper there. What is Pete missing? Does anybody know? He's a cat. You're right, he's missing whiskers, so we've got to draw some whiskers for our Pete. All right, so there is Pete with his magical sunglasses. And now what you guys can do is you can choose whatever you want and whatever color you want to color Pete in. So go find your crayons, your markers, your colored pencils, or your watercolors and color it in. And if you want, at the very front of that Google site where you've got this lesson, where it says home, have your parents help you upload your art to the Fox Hollow Art Gallery so that we can see what your Pete looks like. Okay, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.